Hello, this is Sarah Emery with Concentrus. Today, I bring you a short and sweet tip for controlling the display settings of single results in saved searches. So you can see here I have a saved search and I've set it up so that it's looking for employees with my name. So there should only be one result. So when I click Save and Run, what you'll notice happens is that instead of loading a list of the results, it takes me directly to my record. So once this finishes loading, instead of seeing a list, we're going to see my employee record. Okay, so here's my employee record. So now I'm going to make an adjustment to my user settings and show you how you can instead see a list of the single results. So here I'm going to go to, I'm in another tab, going to go to Set Preferences. And then on the Analytics tab, you'll notice that there is a setting under Search, Show List when only one result. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. You'll notice it was cleared when I landed on this page. I've now enabled it, and I'm going to click Save. Okay, once this finishes saving, I'm going to just hit the back button, go back into my saved search. And now I'm going to hit Save and Run once more. Okay. And what you'll notice is this time, instead of seeing my employee record, I'm going to be taken to a saved search results page showing the single result of my name. So there you go. Depending on your needs and your role, you may find one option to be better than the other. You may like to be taken to the record itself when there's only one result, or you may like to see the saved search view, but you do have the option. You can set it up as a user preference. And if you are the system administrator and you're setting up user roles, you can always default that at the role level. So I hope you found that helpful and can take advantage of it in your environment. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.